What up, guys? This is Pastor Kana again. We're coming up with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript. We're going to be talking about manipulating arrays. Okay, we're going to be using a few different methods in order to do this. Okay, let's start with our variable. Let's see, const, creating our array. So we're going to say movies. So this is the favorite movies that I have. Let's put it in an array. Open, open and closing a square bracket, and then we're going to pass right here Spider-Man. One of the elements is going to be a Spider-Man. Then we're going to have Batman, and then we have Superman. This is my favorite superhero movies. Superman. Okay, cool. Let's end in semicolon. Now let's console log, and let's just pass the movies, and that should give us the array. Let's save that and refresh our browser, and we have a list of arrays. There's 3 elements. We got Spider-Man, Batman, Superman. So now we want to use a method called concat. What this is going to do is going to combine arrays together. Let's see, const, let's just do animals array, and right here we're going to say dog, and then comma, we're going to say tiger, and then comma, and then we're going to say cat. Okay, cool. Now we're going to create another variable right here by the name combining arrays. It's going to be equals to movies that concat, open closing parentheses, and here we're going to pass animals, so this should combine that, right? And then right here we're going to pass in console log, we're going to say combining arrays. So let's save that and let's refresh our browser, and it should give us, yeah, and one array is going to be, we had Spider-Man, Batman, Superman, we got dog, tiger, and cat. And also we can pass another array right here. Let's just copy this array and copy down, and then we're going to change right here, the variable name is going to be numbers, and then we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. Let's save that. Oh yeah, let's pass it right here. Yeah, as an argument, so it's going to be numbers for that method. Okay, let's save that. Yeah, and then we have Spider-Man, Batman, Superman, dog, tiger, cat, 1, 2, and 3. So that worked perfectly. All right, so let's comment this out, and we're going to be working with our array movies. So what about, we want to add one more element. I forgot to add one more movie to my list of arrays. So how do we do this? So we just do by doing movies that we're going to use the push method, and right here inside we're going to say what movie did we forget, Flash. Okay, and that should add to my movie arrays. So let's refresh our browser, and there is an error. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, right here. So we didn't pass it right here, so it has to be movies. See, let's see it. Okay, that worked. So we add Flash to the end of the array. Cool, that worked. So now we want to remove the last element on the array. So let's comment this out right here, and then we will do another variable, const, we're going to say last right here equals to movies that we're going to use the pop method right here, And right here we're going to pass, we're going to say Spider-Man. No, we're going to say Superman. So this will, yeah, it will remove the last element. So Superman, and the semicolon, and then we're going to say last. And see what we have. Yeah, it removed Superman. Okay. So for that we use the pop method. Now, if we want to remove the first element, let's comment this out right here. Let's just do const. Let's just do first equals movie, and for this we're going to movies. We're going to be using the shift method. Okay. All right, and the semicolon, and then we're going to do first. Let's refresh our browser, and it gives us a Spider-Man, which is the first element on the array. So that's cool. That removed that. So now, what about we wanna add an element at the beginning of the array? Okay. Let's see that. We're going to use unshift. We're going to use movies that unshift. Yeah, we're going to do unshift. Okay, and the semicolon, and then right here we can pass, you know, whatever. Let's just do hello, and then let's just do movies. This will add hello at the beginning of the array. Let's refresh our browser. So yeah, we got hello Spider-Man. We got 4 elements because it got added. Hello Spider-Man, Batman, Superman, and also we can add one more. We can say, let's just say programmer. Let's save that and refresh our browser, and also programmer was added. Cool. All right, sounds good. All right, guys, that was everything for this video. Thank you very much for checking this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Okay, take it easy. Okay, bye.